I always dreamed to be on America's Got Talent since I was little.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Are you guys ready for the next act? Here we go!
Are these your parents?
Yes!
And what are you gonna do on AGT?
I'm going to be singing and playing a piano.
Oh, you're gonna be singing!
Yeah. My biggest challenge is people look at me just as a blind person, not as a musician. But when I'm singing, I feel like a superstar.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Just be yourself.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you for coming to AGT. What is your name?
My name is Putri. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Indonesia.
Bravo. Putri, is this your first time in America?
This is my very first time. I'm so excited. I love all the things in here.
What is your talent?
I am a singer.
How long you been singing?
Maybe since I was born.
And what is your dream?
My dream is being the biggest diva in the world, like Whitney Houston, and win a Grammy Award.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Are you going to school now?
Yes, I'm in high school, but I hope that I can get in Juilliard's College of Music for my college program.
Why AGT? Have you always wanted to come here?
I hope that I can win America's Got Talent so I can reach my dream.
Okay, we're so happy that you're here and excited. We want to see you.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
She's so sweet.
So cute.
Yeah.
Does that mic feel like it's a good spot for you? Cool. Are the keys good?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Have fun.
I remember when we still one. You love your voice and your bright eyes. We together in this love. Promise we'll forever. Oh my gosh. And now you left me alone. 'Cause you find someone better. You went that way with her. And one thing I know, you break my heart, break my hope, make me so down in loneliness. You left me when I did, thought you were my best friend, being my prince, but I was wrong. Oh, baby, you changed your pain into the You break my heart, break my heart, make me so down in a loneliness. You break my heart, break my home, make me so down in a loneliness. You let me when I'm in love. I was so wrong, I was so wrong. Why?
Putri, this is Simon. This is Simon. Yeah. Her voice is amazing.
Yes.
And you have father.
Yes, I'm father.
Very nice to meet you.
Yes, to meet you.
Does Putri have a second song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to sing for Pokemon?
Yeah.
Yeah. She want to sing for you. Yes, thank you.
What did you want?
Well,
Another song? You didn't like that one?
I just said to Putri, I like her voice so much.
Thank
I
you
want
so
her
much,
to sing
Simon.
a second song, please.
This song is special for you, Simon.
Well, thank you.
What I gotta do to make you love me? What I gotta do to make you care? What do I do when lightning strikes me? And I wake to find that you're not there.
What a voice.
What I gotta do to make you want me? What I gotta do to be heard? What do I say when it's all over, baby? Sorry seems to be the hardest word. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation. And it's getting cold and more absurd.
She just feels it.
It's sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over? Oh, it seems to me. Sorry seems to be the hardest word.
Putri, how do you feel?
I feel so excited. I can't believe it. Actually, I can't be here now.
It was amazing.
Thank you.
We're all mesmerized by you. Your voice, you're an angel.
Thank you so much.
I think you just used the word, you know. A lot of people don't believe in angels, and I think one just landed on our stage.
Thank you.
You're a superstar.
You sounded so beautiful tonight, especially the very first song that you sang, like how you switched from your chest voice to your head voice, like
That's
how
my-
you. Sorry,
Yeah, that's my original song.
Oh,
Thank
wow.
you.
That's even more amazing.
Very, very, very.
Wow. Wow. tell us that.
They're going crazy for you.
Thank you so much.
Well, I think we're all feeling the same thing. You know, you're 17, you write songs, you've got an amazing, distinctive voice.
Thank you
And
so much.
I mean, really, really good. You have a kind of a glow about you. And tell me about you're waiting for something at your school.
I really want to go to Juilliard.
Okay. I don't know whether this is going to make a difference or not. However,
He's standing up.
The sharpest words wanna cut me down. I'm gonna send the flood, gonna drown the night. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
amazing. You are, I think, one of the best singers we've ever had on our show.
Simon, can you say a little bit about why you pushed this golden buzzer?
Because she's brilliant.
Absolutely!
It's true. There's the gold. Yeah. Yeah.
What a moment, kinda.
One more time for Putri.
I am blown away. And you're a great songwriter as well.
You make my dream come true.
You made my dreams come true.
This is who I'm meant to be. This is me.